ओम विश्वाय नमः। विश्वनामा स भगवान यतः पूर्ण गुणः प्रभुः. The God Almighty is named Vishwa as He is full of all the attributes. He is the complete man of this universe. पूर्णत्वाद् विश्वता विष्णोः रमायाः स्त्रीषु पूर्णतः वायोर्जीवेषु पूर्णत्वात् यशो ज्ञान सुखात्मकाः. Goddess Lakshmi is also named Vishwa as she is the complete woman among all the dependent souls of this universe. And God Prana is also named Vishwa as he is the complete man among those who are there in this worldly life. And along with all the souls, God Prana, Goddess Lakshmi are the dependents of Lord Vishnu. So he is named Vishwa. जागरितस्थानो बहिःप्रज्ञः सप्तांग एकोनविंशतिमुखः स्थूलभुग् वैश्वानरः प्रथमः पादः. God Ganapati wards off all the obstacles of devotees. Lord Vishnu is there in Ganapati with the name of Vishwa or Vaishwanara, having the head of an elephant. वैश्वानरो जागरितस्थानगो गजवक्त्रकः विनायकस्तु विश्वस्य धानादैत् गजवक्त्रताम्. God Ganapati got the head of an elephant as he meditated upon Vishwa or Vaishwanara, the form of Lord Vishnu. With the grace of Lord Vishwa and Ganapati, all of us know the things around us during our Jagrata Avastha, awakeness. That is why the name Vishwa is chanted first in Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra. बहिः प्रज्ञो विभुर्विश्वः दक्षिणाक्षि मुखे विश्वः. Lord Vishwa or Vaishwanara is there in the right eye of all of us. शरीरेषु प्रविष्टत्वात् विश्वो जीव उदीर्यते जीवस्य तदधीनत्वात् विश्वो विष्णुरिति स्मृतः. All the souls are named Vishwa as they enter into this body. And as all those Vishwas, souls, are dependent upon Lord Vishnu, he too is named Vishwa. उत्पन्नस्यापि यत्सत्ता हरेस्तत्स इतीर्यते हरेर्विश्वं भिन्नमपि परमोऽसौ यतो विभुः विश्वस्य तदधीनत्वात् विश्वं विष्णुरुदीर्यते. Though this universe is completely different from Lord Vishnu, the Lord is named Vishwa, universe, as it is under his control. Like this, the God Almighty is named Vishwa in many ways.